The next tool is the Freehand pick tool. So to use it, you have to click down. So the Freehand tool. Can you see the Freehand pick tool? So what's it used for? You select objects by using a freehand selection. Might gives position and transform object. So look at it. What you will do, this how it works. You say once you have, it's similar to pick tool. So drag around the object that you want to select. Okay, want to select that are partially enclosed by the selection area are not selected. So this is what I mean. For example, you want to select something like this. Can you see? You want to select something like this. So you just have to can you see it? Just click here, cover it, make it click. Can you see it? You just make a rough selection with your hand. Can you see it? So that's how it is. That's how it works. So to select objects that are partially enclosed by the selection area, hold down Alt while dragging. So let's see how it works. Hold down Alt while dragging. Alt key on your keyboard. Hold down Alt. So hold down Alt while dragging. Hold down Alt. Okay, sense. So this is how it is. That is all for the Freehand pick selection. Freehand 2. So thanks for